Station Houston on 2 for Dragon. MCS configured, proceeding with hook driving.
And station copies. Good news.
And we are go. Chloe Mayering, Flight Director, gave the go just now in Mission Control Houston to proceed with hook driving. Again, that is 12 hooks driving to hardmate the Dragon to the International Space Station. And we have the first set of hooks driving. If you're just joining us, this is live mission coverage of SpaceX's 33rd commercial resupply service mission to the International Space Station for NASA. You currently have a view of the cargo vehicle just recently docked to the station at 6:05 a.m. Central Time, 7:05 a.m. Eastern Time. Dragon had a soft capture. As the International Space Station and Dragon were flying above the Ivory Coast of Africa. We are currently driving the first set of 6 hooks, looking for 12 for a hard mate to the International Space Station. And we just have confirmation that the first set of hooks have closed and we are driving the second set. Again, we have confirmation of the first set of 6 hooks are closed and the other set of 6 hooks are driving currently. We're looking for all 12 hooks to be latched and closed for a hard mate from the Dragon spacecraft to the International Space Station. And we have all 12 hooks closed.
Station Houston, stand by.
And we got confirmation that the last 6 hooks have driven and are closed. The soft capture ring is still stowing, and we're waiting for confirmation of a successful hard mate to the International Space Station.
Station Houston, Dragon is now hard mated. From everyone at NASA, congratulations to the SpaceX team on a successful launch and docking of the 33rd Commercial Resupply Services mission. These missions allow the ISS to do what it does best, serve as a research laboratory where our astronauts can conduct one-of-a-kind scientific research that benefits everyone on Earth. To the Expedition 73 crew, it is now time to do what you all do best, get this cargo offloaded and ready to start doing science. We look forward to the incredible discoveries and advancements that will come from your hard work.
Thank you, Houston. On behalf of the Expedition 73 crew, we'd like to say thanks to everybody who made the cargo and loaded the cargo and launched the cargo. And you're right, it's our job now to take care of it from here. We'll do our very best for all the science that is now aboard. And also, we totally, very much appreciate the resupply. And good job to the team. And let's go get it.
Thanks, Mike, for those kind words. Give us a few minutes to reconfigure ISS, and we'll get you started in your next activity.
Mission copies. Lots of clapping on board.
And we just heard confirmation of hard capture complete, and then some happy words from the Capcom, Costa Marfridas, again telling the crew that we had a successful capture and docking of the Dragon to the International Space Station. Again, now that we have a hard mate of the Dragon to the space station with its vacuum tight seal, it will then go on to be pressurized to match the same pressure station, pausing periodically for leak checks at the forward port of the Harmony module. Once it is pressurized, the crew will be able to open the hatch on the station side and the Dragon side, and then begin operations to unload the cargo, which will currently be timelined for about 2 hours from docking. A couple of umbilicals will also be deployed to get power and data from station to Dragon. This will move Dragon into what's known as its acquiescent mode, essentially becoming an integrated piece of station once docked. Contact and capture docking took place at 6:05 a.m. as the space station was flying over the Ivory Coast of Africa. It's been quite a journey since launch at 1:45 a.m. Central Time, 2:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Early yesterday morning, CRS-33 completed its trip to the International Space Station, making contact at 6:05 a.m. Central Time. At the time of docking, the space station and the Dragon spacecraft were flying over the Ivory Coast of Africa. And now, with the Dragon now safely aboard the International Space Station, that concludes today's rendezvous and docking coverage. Thank you so much for joining us. This is Mission Control Houston.